don't barely break it, you shatter it. His previous record was 43.
That's what Toronto's shooting right now.
That tells you what the Lakers are doing defensively.
Kobe again! Three-pointers got 38 points. By Mo Peterson, Kobe pump fake for two. Kobe's got the Laker record. Kobe Bryant.
What's good, everyone? It's Marvin from MJO23Dan.com, and today I have one of the most famous shoes that Kobe Bryant has ever worn on his feet in an NBA game. So before I open the box, I just want to show you the details. It comes in this black box with Kobe's logo on the top, Kobe's signature on the bottom, and this is my first ever Protro. So the Protro has been out for probably about a year and a half now, 2 years maybe, and this is my first one. So this is the Kobe 1 Protro by Nike in white, black, varsity purple. Suggested retail price $175. Style number is AQ2728 and color code 105. So on January 16, 2019, select few Nike Plus accounts got this memo right here. Now, I didn't get this notification as with any other type of notifications that come through, but luckily I reached out to my social gathering and a longtime homie came through. Shout out to Fredster818. He also helped me out in reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Off-White in the Chicago colorway, and he's basically a LeBron fan, so there was no way he was going to be getting a Kobe shoe. But here we go. This right here is the shoe that everyone has been really waiting for. It returns officially on January 22, 2019, and it'll be the first global release of the shoe. Alright, so the shoes themselves, they come with these white inserts that are really unnecessary. It's a fantastic shoe, and I'm glad this has returned. There was one other point where they did have this shoe returned, but only in Los Angeles, and it had 81 inscribed pretty much all over the shoe, and basically what that was called was the Y81 contest, and you had to go, it was pretty much a scavenger hunt, and you had to go through 4 different locations to be able to get a stamp in some type of booklet. And once you got all of that, lined up at Nike Town, Los Angeles, and had an opportunity to purchase the shoe for $81, which was pretty insane. And then another time, or actually the 81st pair was going to be auctioned off and signed by Kobe Bryant himself. So I thought that was a really cool gesture by Nike Basketball to be able to do that. It is different from this release though. It does not have all the 81 inscriptions on it. This is pretty much what Kobe wore in the game on January 22, 2006. There was also like a select few friends and family pairs out there in Kobe size 14 out there. So if you got one of those, you guys have a gem in itself. But again, this is the global release coming up here on January 22 for the Kobe 81 point game shoe. And pretty much let's just go over it. It's a white base upper, leather upper. The quality of the materials are really nice. The toes are soft. The one that I really liked the best when I used to own the Kobe 1 back in 2006 was this area right here, and it's pretty much like paper mache, and it's got like that roughed up leather, and it just looks like if you were to crumple up a piece of paper and just slap it on like the desk, that's what it looks like. And I just thought that was like a really cool detail that Kobe did with that shoe. So it's on the both sides of the shoe on the medial panels, and again, the materials look great. The Protro pretty much is what Nike and Kobe envisioned his retro series to be, where he was updating the older models with new style tech. So pretty much this is a full-length zoom unit, whereas before I believe it was only in the heel, maybe even the forefoot. I'm not too sure about that. You guys can hit up Wear Tester's YouTube channel and check that out. So it's pretty much supposed to mimic the 2006 edition of Kobe's All-Star Game shoe, and it has the All-Star inscription on the back, and then has all the dates on the insole that Kobe had participated in. So you have Houston, Denver, Los Angeles, Atlanta, and it goes all the way down DC, Oakland, New York City. So that's pretty cool. And then you have the gold star on the tongue right there. So it's pretty much the white and red Nike Kobe 1, but in white and purple. So again, this is a shoe that a lot of people have been wanting for the longest time. In 2019, we're celebrating the 13th anniversary of Kobe dropping 81 points. So it's pretty surreal that this is actually a release and people are able to grab it. That paper mache look is also on the toe rand here. As far as craftsmanship issues, again, there's something with this type of midsole that just creases a lot, and I don't really like that look. It's not something that like I really enjoy. I know that's in a bunch of like basketball shoes and runners and everything like that, but I wish Nike would be able to fix that. Also, the craftsmanship issue just above the midsole, you'll see some paint chipping as well. And then let's see, I saw on the Nike swoosh here on the medial side, it's kind of off there. So there are no QC stickers inside the shoebox, so it's not going to be perfect. I would have hoped that with, you know, an iconic shoe just like this would be a little bit more taken care of as far as craftsmanship issues are concerned. So but that's unfortunate. But you know, all in all, it's great to have these back in the collection. Again, I no longer have the Kobe 1 in my collection. I sold a lot of that. I wore a lot of that back in the day. I've still kept a couple though. I have the 4s and I have the 5s. No 6s, no 7s. Definitely have some 8s, 9s, and above. I didn't go into the Kobe AD series because I just thought that it was kind of weak that Nike wasn't numbering the Kobe series anymore. Just like when Jordan did it back with the Air Jordan 2009, and then they went back, you know, several years after that, and then they went with the Air Jordan 28. So it is said that they're going to be doing the Kobe 14. So we'll be seeing that numbering system back, and who knows, maybe I'll get back into it. But again, the Nike Kobe 1 Protro, the 81 point game, this is fantastic. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.